Hi everyone, my name is Diane and this is my pink bathtub. I hope you are enjoying these little mini knitting tutorials and you've been practicing and are doing well at knitting. Now we're going to learn how to cast off our work, which is basically to get these live stitches and close them off. It's also called binding off. So on a pattern, it's either going to be listed as CO for cast off or BO for bind off. Sometimes it's confusing, and CO can also represent casting on, but the pattern should be very clear about that. Way to confuse me, Diane, way to confuse me. So when you want to, let's just call it binding off. When you want to bind off your work, your live stitches again are on your left hand needle and your right hand needle is your working needle. You are going to knit the first two stitches onto your working needle. So let's do that. Once you have these two stitches on your right hand needle, you are going to use the tip of your needle, your left hand needle, pick up the very first stitch and pull it over the second stitch. Now you're going to knit one more stitch. You're going to pick up this first stitch and pull it over its neighbor, the second stitch. See how it's making this nice little finish? You're going to knit one more stitch. Using the tip of your needle, you're picking up that outside stitch and pulling it over the needle. Oh, I find this yarn is a little splitty. To have one stitch remaining. You're going to knit one more stitch. Using the tip, we're going to pull it over and off. It makes quite the nice finish too. To me, and again, I am not a crocheter, it looks kind of like a crocheted chain. Is that what you call it? Leaves a nice finish. Gonna knit another stitch. Take the tip of your needle, pull it over the needle and off. It's the world's smallest scarf. Now you've got one stitch left. You're going to knit that. So now they're both on your right hand needle. You're going to use the tip of your left hand needle, pull it up and over. And then, of course, I do not have scissors here. I would cut this and then use a wool needle and just put the needle through and pull to secure it. That, my friends, is binding off, or also known as casting off. Our next episode will be about ribbing. Now, ribbing is when you knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one. And this creates a very stretchy fabric, which is used quite well for things like on cuffs of sweaters, on the brim of hats. And so it's a very useful thing to do. And essentially, you know how to do this already, even though you've never tried it, because it only involves the knit stitch and the purl stitch to do this. So we're going to learn this on the next episode. I hope you are enjoying these little tutorials and that you are practicing your knitting. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, share. I would love to hear from you. Take care and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.